Dismantling cars with an artistic touch? Are we the only ones online? Who wants to count how many parts are on the ground?
The shell was removed and the car was just received.
We have to take apart the engine and chassis completely.
Our teamwork was so seamless that we directly separated the engine components.
Since we've decided to dismantle it, let's take it apart completely. The wiring harness also gets to experience a rejuvenation.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.